Hello everybody, John here. Here's a quick screencast about using Google Images. So if you start at the Google homepage, you have this menu. We're just going to click on the Images button. I think we are. And let's type in Obama. Let's see what kind of images we come up with. In the image search, you have a lot of different ways you can search for images that people don't always use or know about. But if you press the Search Tools button, then you can see lots of different ways that you can filter your results. One that you're probably using in the class with Debbie Crum is the filtering for reuse or reuse with modification, non-commercial reuse, those sorts of things. So the images right now are showing us everything, but when we're using these, we might want to look for non-commercial use with reuse with modification. Then all of these images could be modified and used in a non-commercial way without a problem. Some of the other things that you can do are specify a color. If you wanted to look at all the photos of Obama that had like a red background or were predominantly red, or say yellow. If you're trying to put together images where you want colors to match, that could be useful. And then there's this one, transparent, which not everyone understands. Transparent is usually there's no background color, so it's like it's on a green screen. Let's watch and see as this gray and white checkerboard pattern indicates that it's on a green screen, or that it's only the image of Obama would be showing, and it would drop onto a background that you had some different color. So that's what transparent here means. So if you had something with a purple background or a busy background, or you were putting this image in a picture of a forest, the forest would run right up to Obama's image, and it would look like he was standing there. So transparent is often one I use where I have a colorful background and I don't want it a big white square where the picture is. So that's another useful thing. Full color photos is just they would have to be full color photos to appear. You can specify by size, and this is usually shows the resolution, so how big the pictures are in terms of their resolution. It's also good if you're looking for something under 1 megabyte, because some sites limit the size of the file you can upload. We could also look by type, so you can get just face shots or clip art, which is hand-drawn. Some of these are interesting. You can also sort these by color. Line drawings. Well, that's interesting. Not what I expected. Or animated. And some of these take a little longer to load, but just a number of different ways that you can search through images. And as long as they're labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, then you should be okay using that, although I think that Debbie is covering that in her class. So this is just a little review of what kinds of things how you can use Google search, the image search, in a useful way. Last term we had a student do a search for an image. He took a picture of a work of art he couldn't identify and dropped it in here, and he was able to find out where it was from. If you find an image that you like and you want to see different sizes, this will bring them up, and you can pick the larger or the higher resolution if you can afford it. Or if you have to use a smaller image, you could pick by the size of the images here at the bottom. And that's about it.